sorry for leaving, making you believe in a man that I'll never be. I'm heading down the road now to clean my heart and soul, just like a refinery. If I could stay for the night, I'll feel alright when the morning comes. You'll be crying in your bed and dying in your head with the morning sun. Gotta get the dark out of me before I head on back, because the good heart in me knows I need you back. Gotta get the dark out of me before I head on back, because the good heart in me knows I need you back. There, pluckers, Iversaw Fingers again with you with another song from Bryan, okay, one of his newer songs called Dark, okay. Now, I'm not saying this is 100% accurate. I've not seen him play it on any YouTube videos, so it's purely what I hear with my ears, okay. So this is my take on it anyway. So we're in standard tuning, but we have a capo on the first fret, puts us in the same key as Zach Bryan plays the song in, okay. So it starts off with this little, there's not a lot in it, but this is what I hear. Okay, so what I'm playing there, it's a partial F chord with a ninth added, an added ninth. So I'm playing if it was an F bar chord, but I've got no bar on. I'm just fretting the bottom E string with my first finger, 3rd fret from the capo on the 5th string with my 3rd finger, and pinky on the 3rd fret of the 4th string. And the 3rd string's open. Okay, and basically I'm just strumming those strings. I'm not trying to hit the top E string or the 2nd string at all, okay. 6 down to 4, okay, 3 rather, 3, open 3rd, and then what I'm doing is I'm basically taking it up to a G chord, but it's the same shape as this funny F chord with the added ninth, but just up 2 frets, 3rd fret from the capo, and these 2 are on the 5th fret from the capo, okay. Again, 6 down to 3, so we've got. And that's the sort of strumming. It's like bum bum the bum, bum bum the bum. So down 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 up, down 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 up, or up down, whichever way you want to do it. That sort of thing, okay. And then what we do is an A minor, and I'm hammering into it. So it's. That sort of thing. Open strings and hammer into the A minor. And then it just repeats, okay? And it does that for the intro, and then it comes in with the verse, same chords for the verse, okay? So it's 2 for the, I did do 2 for the intro. Singing comes in, okay? I'm sorry for leaving and making you believe I'm a man that'll never be. I'm heading down the road now to clean my heart and soul at a refinery. If I could stay for the night, I'd feel alright by the morning come. You'd be crying in your bed and dying in your head with the morning sun. Okay, so that's the same for all the verses, okay? And the chorus, right? The chorus is, you stay on the A minor at the end of the verse, where it goes, if crying in your bed and dying in your head in the morning sun. Gotta get the dark out of me, is the back to this G chord again. Okay, before I head on back is a C chord. And what you do with the C chord is you hammer into that open fourth to third, second on the fourth. So when you hit the C, you leave this, if a simple C is fine, or a C with G in the bass with this third finger go on the third fret at the bottom E string, pinky on the third fret of the fifth there. That's what I'm playing, but you can play a simple straightforward C is easy, okay. And then when you play the C, you leave this second finger off momentarily, and as soon as you strum it, the C, you hammer into that second fret on the fourth string. Back to the A minor, to G, C. A minor, G, hammer into the C. And it does that 4 times for the chorus. And then it goes into another verse stroke instrumental. The instrumental bits are the same to play as the verse. It's the F with the added ninth to the G to the A minor. Okay, so let's just go through it. I'll just do the intro twice and then we'll do the first verse and the first chorus. Okay, and then you've got everything apart from the lead solo bit at the beginning. I'll just show you a bit of that. Okay, so here we go from the intro. Right, first, I'm sorry for leaving and making you believe in a man that will never be. I'm heading down the road now to clean my soul just like a refinery. If I could stay for the night, I feel alright when the morning comes. You'd be crying in your bed and dying when you hear the morning sun. Gotta get the dark out of me before I head on back, because the good heart in me knows I need you back. Gotta get the dark out of me before I head on back, cause the good heart in me knows I need you back. Intro. So on, that's all there is in it. Okay, now right at the beginning of the song he does this bit, and then the guitar comes in. You keep playing that riff, that same rhythm underneath, but it goes okay. So what I'm doing there, obviously you can use your own fingering, but this is, I'm just showing you, I'm doing 3rd fret 5th string, just down with the pick, down, up, down, up, down, up, and then up 2 frets to the 5th fret from the capo, 3rd, 5th, 7th, and then what it does, it goes. What I'm doing there, I might not be playing it exactly the same as he does, but this is what he's playing. 3rd on the 5th to open 3rd. Back to the 3rd on the 5th, then up to the 5th fret of the 5th and back to the 3rd on the 5th. So 3rd on the 5th, open 3rd, back to 3rd on the 5th, 5th on the 5th, back to the 3rd on the 5th. And he repeats that, does that twice. Then instead of going back to that, it goes up, it hits that again and slides up to the 7th fret on the 5th string. So it goes, first bit is okay, so from the beginning so far, it does that, slides, a bit of a pause when it gets up to that, bit of a pause, and it slides, hits that again, 7th fret on the 5th, back to the 5th fret on the 5th, and then to the 3rd fret on the 5th. and then it does another one of those, and the second time it goes. So that's the end phrase. So right from the beginning, so far. And then finally, the last one is, goes up to that, and then it goes back down to the 5th fret, to the 3rd, and then open 5th. Okay, and then it goes into the verse. Okay, so right from the beginning, very slowly. Okay, and that goes into, then the singer comes in. So that's da da da. So into the verse. Okay, so you have it, boys and girls. You have all the bits to play that song now, really, to get a basic version of it. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.